Hey guys, it's Karen Mayer. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a bUnited review. You're probably wondering, is this legitimate? Is it a scam or not? You've heard about it maybe on Facebook or someone invited you to this site. I'm going to give you an overview here in just a minute, but before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the bUnited review. What exactly is bUnited? It is a site offering cash back, and they partnered with large corporations, and they have a plan for these companies to give back to the environment. And the site will also pay you to invite other members. Their goal is to eliminate the billions of dollars that companies usually spend on advertising, which could be up to 20 to 30%, and then pay you that money. The company was founded by Jim Jorgensen, Johannes Pohl, and Ozan Tanner. And in my research, it was founded in May of 2014. So what the companies that they're partnered with are asked to do is to help save the environment by planting trees, saving the rainforest, giving food to the hungry, and providing health care for those in need. The cost to join, there is no cost, it is free. And the countries available at this point are North America, Asia, Oceania, South and Central America, and the Middle East and Africa. How much are you going to get paid? You're going to get paid $10 for each member you invite, but not only are you going to get paid for each person that you invite and join, but you're going to get paid for every person within 5 degrees of separation from you. I'm going to show you a calculator here in just a minute. Where does the money come from? Right now, bUnited is partnered with companies like Vodafone, and they are paying Google, Facebook, and others billions of dollars in advertising to find their customers. So at bUnited, they give you that money. So the companies pay them, and then they pay you. So they're basically paying them to get customers to buy from them. Now, as far as when you get paid on their site, they said that some people will be able to withdraw some earnings within 60 days, but most people will be able to withdraw their earnings later in 2019 and continue to get paid until they have reached the full amount. It could take a couple of years. Withdrawing earnings is based on when bUnited gets paid by the companies, obviously, giving the discounts to the bUnited members. And this will vary by the country that you're in and how fast the membership grows there, and the speed at which companies sign up. And it said that you can simply check your account page to know when you can withdraw some or all of your earnings. And they said that you'll get paid. You can request a payment at any time. They currently use PayPal and some other companies I have listed here, and they're going to be adding to their payment methods, and all payments will be made in your local currency. I'm going to leave a link to this blog post in the description below this video, so you can read through it again if you want. Let's take a look here at the website. So it said that bUnited is in 5 steps: inviting your friends, use community power, so they're going to be able to negotiate lower prices for their members. And the members are going to save 20 to 30% on things that they're already buying. And then the companies are asked to give back to the world in the ways that I mentioned by saving the environment. And then you're getting paid whenever your friends and their friends save on things that they're already buying. You get paid. Unless I'm missing something, I didn't see where you could, and this is just information telling about bUnited, I didn't see where you could buy anything at this point. It's a cashback site, but I didn't see where you could buy anything. If anyone has any information on that, make sure you leave it in the comments below the video. But at this point, it looks like you're just getting paid to invite members. So there's different ways that you can share this with pre-written messages. You can put your own message with your personal link or your member ID. And it says that each time we pay you $100, these are the things that will happen. You save the rainforest, clean water, trees are planted. So they have pre-written messages that you could just click on to share this on your phone, email, or Facebook. So this is just a message here that you've joined bUnited. This is one that you get, shows how you get paid. These, they paid out over 160 million. Basically, that these guys have done other companies before, and that's what they've paid out. So that leads you to believe this is legitimate, that they will pay you. And then for people interested in saving the planet, there's another message there. You have your invite link, and then down here it'll show you how many friends you've invited, friends of friends, your earnings, and then your global impact, the amount of things that have happened because of you. Meals served, rainforests saved, water delivered, trees planted, healthcare given. And then this is interesting, there is a calculator here on how many friends you invite. So I just put in like 10 on average, how many people will each of their friends sign up. So let's just put this up to 5. And this is really interesting. The potential earnings are $78,100. Payments will be made over time with just inviting 10 friends, and then those friends sign up 5 people each, and that would be your total earnings. I'm not exactly sure where this money comes from. I know the money, they say, comes from companies that they will pay them rather than advertisers. This seems like a lot of money to me to be paid out, but nonetheless, this is their earnings calculator. Let's just put in 20. See, that seems like an awful lot of money to me, but nonetheless, that's what they say. So this is just, like I said, I didn't see on here where you would buy anything, because I was thinking if you clicked on lower prices, it would tell you, or would take you to like a cashback site. But these are the companies that they say that they're partnering with: communications, entertainment, utilities, travel, automotive, insurance, food, household products, health, electronics, personal products, finance, other products or services. So if you click on these, I was thinking, okay, maybe you can buy some travel. No, you can't. So as far as I can tell, this is just, at this point, inviting other people. So again, if you guys have any information on how you can actually purchase something through the site for less, let me know. So that's my bUnited review. I hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave in the comments below this video. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And again, I'll leave a link to the blog post. And if you need to contact me, like I said, just do that through Facebook or whatever method I have down there. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.